market yesterday and I found that they had green peppers on sale. Just $1 for these packages. And I thought, well, I don't have any dehydrated peppers, and I do use them on pizza, and I do use them in chili, so they would come in handy to have some in stock. So I've got my water on to boil. We're going to blanch them, and I'm going to cut these packages open, wash them, dice them, and blanch them, and then we'll dehydrate. So I'm cutting them into quarters to start with. That should make it easier to clean the seeds out. Alright, now we'll just cut away the inside. Clean all the seeds away. It's a fairly quick process once you've got it cut into quarters. Okay, then I'll get back to you after this is done. Okay, got them all cleaned up now, and I'm just going to dice. Looks like my water is boiling. And what I'm going to do there is just do a quick blanch and then plunge them into cold water before we put them on the dehydrator. And I'm not going to do them all at once. I'll do small batches at a time. I only took out a small pot. And these aren't cut up totally tiny. They don't need to be. If I need them smaller after the process, I can cut them up then, after I rehydrate them. Okay, appears to be enough to start the process now. And I'm going to run some cold water. And spread them as evenly as possible. And I'm sure that I don't have to overpack these at all. Okay. Put that aside for now and cut up some more. This is going to go fairly quickly. Okay, next batch is ready to come out. And our water is cold. And the next batch is ready to go in. Okay, 2 trays. Almost done. Okay, I think I'll turn this off until I'm completed. Okay, this is the last of the blanched, and I have one other tray, so I'm not going to overcrowd these at all. There we go. And I'll probably put this one on the bottom just to create more airflow. I suppose I could even them off a little bit more, but there's no point. They will all dehydrate. I'll be setting this at 120 degrees, 125. Check it out this evening, but it'll probably be ready in the morning. So that's it. Okay, so that's what 8 green bell peppers looks like dehydrated. We have about 2 cups worth of dried green peppers, and great. They'll be there when I need them.